guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will test this eyeshadow palette from BH Cosmetics, and it's called Blueberry Muffin, and this is how it looks like. It comes in this cute envelope, and the eyeshadow palette itself looks the same, and this is how it looks inside. It's a really gorgeous eyeshadow palette. So you have in total 16 colors. Also it's vegan and cruelty free, it says here on the back, and if you need to know the ingredients, you have it in here on this envelope. It comes with 9 shimmers, as you can see, and the rest are matte. I'm gonna do some swatches as well for you. Okay, so I'm gonna swatch the first row, and the first color is called Sweet, quite pigmented as you can see. Next color is Cheat Day, it's a really nice purple. We have Crumble, nice and pigmented. Then we have Decadent, this in here. Yeah, we have Sugared, it's a really nice shimmery white. Yeah, it's like a ice type of silver. Then we have Cravings. Yeah, in here we have Treat, and then we have 350 degrees. I don't know why it's 350. Anyway, there it is. I'm gonna wipe this off and I'll continue with the rest of the colors. Okay, moving on. So the third row, first color, it's called So Good. It's a really nice purpley blue, and as you can see, it's quite pigmented. Then we have Tempting. I love this color. It's a really nice shimmer blue, gorgeous. And by the way guys, this is a dual chrome. As you can see, it becomes a bit of a brown as well. Love it. Next color is Yummy, again a shimmer. This one seems as well as to be a dual chrome. Then we have Baker's Dozen. It seems to be like a black, and then has some really small shimmers. I don't know if you can see it in here, like some blue shimmers, some deep blue shimmers. Yeah, lovely. And then the final row we had Hot and Fresh. This seems to be again like a silver, but it's not that like the white, it's really pigmented. Then we have Delish, a really nice blue. Next we have Fluffy, seems to be like a peachy nude tone. And the last one is Stud Muffin, again a shimmer, which is stunning. I mean, look at these colors guys. I mean, I love this one, definitely that's my favorite. So I'm actually really thinking to do a look using this color in here. It's gorgeous. Okay guys, so I'm back. I'm gonna start with this shade in here called So Good. And by the way, it's a bit of a fall in the pan, but you already know this doesn't bother me. I'm really curious how pigmented this is. Next I'm going in with Cheat Day, this gorgeous purple in here, and I'm gonna build this up. They're really pigmented, as you can see, because it already covered this one. And the next shade I'm going in is this Tempting, this really gorgeous blue. And let's see how it goes. I'll try with my finger first. Yes, it's really pigmented. It's a gorgeous color, as you can see. Gorgeous. I'm gonna take a fluffy brush and I'm going back in with Cheat Day because I need to blend this out. In my brow bone, I'm gonna use Crumble. And I will go back in the shade So Good, so I intensify that outer V. And in my inner part of the lid, I'm gonna use the shade Cravings. For my lower lash line, I'm going again with the shade So Good. And in the inner part, I am gonna use shade Crumble. Okay guys, so you already know the drill. I'm gonna go and finish the other eye off camera, also the rest of my face, and I'll come back with the finished look and my final thoughts about this palette. Okay guys, so I'm back. This is the finished look. I can say I am in love with this eyeshadow palette. I mean, the colors are absolutely beautiful. They are pigmented. I don't know, they are intense as well, and I loved every single color I've used in here. I've noticed that not the shimmers, the mattes are a bit powdery, and it takes a bit of a time to build it up, but the pigment is there, you can see. So this, all the matte in here, even if it took some time to build it up, it has pigment and is gorgeous. I mean, I'm in love with this blue eye look, and yes, I definitely recommend this one. Cannot wait to actually try more products from the BH Cosmetics, because I bought a few more and I'm gonna test them in the future video. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and also if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this every week. Let me know in the comments down below if you ever tried BH Cosmetic products or any eyeshadow palettes they have, and just tell me how it went on your eyelid. If you're impressed with it, if you don't like it, just let me know down below in the comments. Thank you very much for watching guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.